Today I'll show you how to use a battery with Arduino. I'm going to use this 9 volts non-rechargeable alkaline battery, two resistors 22k or 22,000 ohms each, and this battery holder which will be used to connect the battery. The resistors will be used to form the voltage divider circuit to measure 9 volts. I have tied two jumper wires with the wires of the battery holder. I'll insert one end of the jumper wire in the positive rail on one side of the breadboard, the positive wire, and the negative wire on the negative rail on the other side of the breadboard. One of the resistors will be connected to the one side. One side will be connected to the positive rail, the positive 9 volts, like this. Its other end will be inserted into a column in the breadboard. The second resistor will connect to the first resistor on one side, and on the other side it will be inserted into the ground rail. So the current can flow from positive side, then through R1, the resistor 1, then R2, and then towards the ground. Where the two resistors connect to each other, the voltage will be divided and it will be connected to one of the available analog pins on Arduino board. I have selected analog 0 pin in the sketch and I have flashed Arduino with that sketch. The negative wire will also be connected to the ground on Arduino, which is also connected to the ground of the OLED display and the sensor. The positive 9 volts jumper wire will be connected to the V-in pin on the Arduino, and the 9 volts will power Arduino. Arduino has an onboard 5 volts voltage regulator, and it will output 5 volts on the 5V pin, which is connected to the OLED and the sensor power supply. Now I have connected the battery and you can see that it's working. The voltage is being measured by Arduino. It is being displayed as a percentage value, and it's also showing a bar on the top part of the screen as an indicator of the charge left in the battery. So now Arduino is measuring a voltage level between 0 to 4.75 volts at the Vout of the voltage divider circuit. If I connect the analog pin to the ground rail, it's showing 0% battery and the battery indicator is also showing empty. Back to the Vout. The percentage will increase, but you can see that the battery indicator is still showing empty. Because I have made the sketch like this, because electrical noise was causing the indicator to increase and decrease constantly. So I had to set some levels below which the battery indicator will decrease and it will never increase again. You can change the levels of percentage below which the battery indicator will register a decrease, but it will not increase again. Only after a reset those levels will also be reset. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, post in the comments section. Bye.